Hello my dear children, I am going to teach you about the periodic table. Your third chapter in chemistry is classification of elements and periodic properties. In this chapter, I am going to discuss about the classification of elements. Why elements are classified? You know that to make study easier, with the help of classification, we can make study of elements easier. Okay. First of all, periodic table is given by Mendeleev. Before Mendeleev, there is no any periodic table is produced. Before, you know that in your class 10th, some laws are given to classify the elements. First one is Dobereiner's law of triads. What is triad? Triad is a group of three elements which have similar properties. Dobereiner said that when three elements which have same properties are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses like Li, Na and K, three elements having similar properties are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses, then the atomic mass of middle element is arithmetic mean of other two elements. Means atomic mass of Na is equal to Li plus K by 2, 7 plus 39 by 2, 46 by 2, it becomes 23. Atomic mass of Na is 23. This law states that when elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses, then the atomic mass of middle element is arithmetic mean of other two elements. This is about the law of triads. You have already discussed about this law in your previous class 10th. Second is Newland's law of octaves. Newland's law of octaves. Octave means group of 8 elements. Octaves. As in musical tone, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, first and nth musical tones are same. Like that, when elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses, then every earth element shows similarity with first one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. The properties of hydrogen resembles with fluorine. From any, you can start it. First one is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. The property of beryllium matches with magnesium. This is about the law of octaves. Newlands told that when elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses, then the properties of every earth element resembles with first one. This is about the Newland's law of octaves. When the elements are discovered further, then this law gets flopped and a periodic table is produced by Mendeleev. Mendeleev is the first scientist who gives periodic table, who makes periodic table. Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian scientist. He arranged elements in increasing order of their atomic masses and found that he gave a periodic law. According to Mendeleev's periodic law, the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. He arranged elements in 7 horizontal rows called periods and 8 vertical columns called groups. He made 7 periods and 8 groups. He arranged various known elements in these periods and groups. He arranged these elements by making in every group the elements have similar properties. Means the elements present within the same group have similar properties. There are many drawbacks, there are many limitations in Mendeleev's periodic table. To remove these limitations or drawbacks, modern periodic table was given. Moseley discovered atomic number and told that atomic number is the fundamental property of elements, not atomic mass. Modern periodic law states that the properties of elements is periodic function of their atomic numbers. Means this is the difference between Mendeleev's periodic law and modern periodic law. In modern periodic law, the properties of elements is periodic function of their atomic numbers, not atomic mass. In Mendeleev's periodic law, this property is periodic function of their atomic masses. Periodic function means repetition of properties. Mendeleev told that when elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses, then the repetition of properties takes place. But Moseley later on discovered atomic number, and he found that atomic number is the fundamental property of elements, and he gave modern periodic law and told that property of elements is periodic function of their atomic numbers. Means when elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers, then the properties gets repeated. Okay. After this, a long form of periodic table was given. Long form of periodic table, which is followed today, nowadays. This long form of periodic table is used to classify elements, to study about them. Okay. In my next lecture, I will discuss about the long form of periodic table. Okay. Thank you.